Hello students, today we learn how to write a letter F. F for fish. Small f. Big F. Small f. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. So let's learn F for fish. 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 F for fox and F for fish. F for fish and F for fish. So let's write fish. F I S H, fish. F O X, this is fox. So thank you.